Okay. Hello students. So this is yet another topic on alligation and mixture. Previously we discussed for last 2-3 classes our arithmetic series chaltila. Right now this is alligation mixture. Though alligation mixture is also a part of arithmetic, but specifically in this session we will discuss about alligation and mixture. So actually this topic should be average mixture and alligation, but average mixture and alligation, all this come in the same concept only. Okay. So I call directly we will solve questions. Okay. Whatever the shortcut joda thibo, that I will explain, or along with the conventional approaches also, so that how to exam re kemti tackle karibo, that you will get an idea. For example, this is the question. It is what? In exams held on 8 subjects, Shyam scored 85, 85, 90, 91, 92, 94, 95 and 96 marks. Find his average score. Okay. So there are 8 exams. First 85 rakla, 85 rakla, 90, 91, 94, 95, 96. Okay. So average we can just find simply total kariki, sum kariki, divide kariki, the number of samples. So average score is average score. Average score equals to you can say 85 plus 85 plus 90 plus 91 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus 96 divided by 8. This should be your answer. Nothing else. Ketra number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check karo kete hoste tomorrow summation. If all of you, let me see also. So 85 plus 85 plus 90 plus 91 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus 96. So as such around 728. You are getting 728 as you are calculate karibo, you will get 728 divided by 8. 728 ku jodi 8 re mu divide karibi, what is the value? That you will get 91. So our answer is 91 for this question. Okay, but this is calculate kariya pai it takes some time. Okay, though if calculator is there then it is easy, otherwise if you do manually number बहुत समय लागिबो. सेति में ताको शॉर्टकट कोन करबा, आमे देखिबा सबु नंबर नियर बाय गोटे गुड नंबर एक्सक्यूज मी, सबु नंबर नियर बाय गोटे गुड नंबर माने होल नंबर 85 85 90 91 92 सबु क्लोज टू 90. सो आमे कोन करे 90 गोटे रेफरेंस पॉइंट ना, सो यू कैन राइट 90. तापर कोन करबा 85, first number is 85. 85 is what? 90 minus 5. So I will write minus 5. Next is again 85. So it is again minus 5. 90 and 90 difference is 0. So 0 likely. Next 91. 90 plus 1. So 90 is plus 1. 92 is plus 2. 94 is plus 4. 95 is plus 5. Plus 6. After the number difference बाहर कर ले 90 रू, माने the number minus the reference number 90. Okay, so and divided by 8. So these these are all small numbers, so it is very easy to calculate. So you can say 90 plus 8 तो बहुत cancel out हो जाओ. 5 cancel हला. Anything else? No. So 1 plus 2 3 plus 4 7 plus 6 so 13 minus 5 divided by 8. So you will get 90 plus 8 by 8. 90 plus 1. So answer is 91. So this way you can get the answers very quickly. Okay. So average bahar kare pe kono, that is why I brought this question. Simply average is there, but at the same time you should know how to find out the average very quickly. तो हमें कौन कर ले फर्स्ट मेथड दिस इज द conventional approach. Second method we have done some kind of shortcut. This is the second method. So what we have taken? We have taken the reference number is 90. तापर each number 90 reference रे either it is plus either it is more or it is less. Suppose 85 वाला, so 85 is 5 less, सेति में हमें minus 5 कर ले. And let's say 92 वाला, that is 2 more, that is why we have written plus 2. तापर calculate करके I have written all the numbers with reference to 90, then divided by 8. After that, this calculation. Okay, so this is the first question we discussed. Let us go to the second question. Chetan purchased 2 dozen mangoes of one variety at 6 rupees per dozen, 4 dozen mangoes of a second variety at 7 rupees per dozen, and 1 dozen mangoes of a third variety at 9 per dozen. What is the average cost per dozen of the mangoes purchased by Chetan? So first let me see कौन कौन देची 2 dozen mango one variety 6 rupees per dozen. Okay, so मुझे dozen लिखुची and price per dozen. तो 2 dozen purchase कला price per dozen होची 6. 4 dozen purchase कला price per dozen होची 7 rupees 7. Then 1 dozen purchase कला price is 9 rupees per dozen. Okay, तापर से what's the average cost per dozen? तो कौन करेंगे हम फर्स्ट टोटल वैल्यू बाहर करबे. यार टोटल वैल्यू केते? Total value is 2 into 6, that is 12. 4 into 7, that is 28. Okay, and 1 into 9, that is 9. So total value that you add करूची, how much you are getting? 12 plus 28 is amaro 40. 40, this is 49. 49 rupees ro worth jinsa achi. But what is the total dozen? 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7. तो average price कौन होगा? Total value, average cost per dozen is total value divided by number of dozens. So it is 49 rupees divided by 7, so that is 7 rupees per dozen. This is your answer. 7 rupees per dozen. So simple average question. This is the approach. Hope you are getting it. Let's move to the next question. The average age of a group of 10 friends is 15 years. A new person joins them and their average age increased to 16 years. What is the age of new person? Okay, try out this question. We can solve this just after 2 minutes. Okay, so the average age of group of 10 friends is 15 years. So let us write what is given. Number of persons, average, 10 number of persons, average is 15 years, average age. A new person joins them and their average age increases to 16 years. So total age कितना हो? 10 multiplied with 15, that is 150 years. If a new person joins, new person who joined, I don't know, 150 plus that the new person's age is x. So 150 plus x equals to, now the new average is 16, but number of persons केते होच ते तो new join करला पर number of persons 11 है जिवो and average होच 16 as per the question. Okay, so this will be, total is what, 11 multiplied with 16, that is 176. So 150 plus x equals to 176. What is x? 176 minus 150 equal to 26. So the new person who joined, their age is about 26 years. Right answer is 26 years. Okay. Hope you are getting this question. Okay, let's move to the next question. A batsman scored an average of 54 runs in the first 6 tests. If the first test is not counted and the 7th is counted, then his average score goes up to 58 runs. If his score in the first test was 50 runs, find his score in the 7th test. Try this question. Just after 2 minutes I will discuss. Total number of tests is 7. Average 54 runs in the first 6 tests. If the first test is not counted and the 7th is counted, then his average score goes up to 58 runs. If this score in the first test was 50 runs. Okay, let me write. So there are 6 tests are there. Let's say T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7. They have given 7, so I have written. A batsman scored an average of 54 in his first 6. So age of first 6 re tar average hochi 54. Average. If the first test is not counted and the 7th is counted, then the first test को छाड़ी की जो 7 आउ 6 टा अछि सेट तार average होची goes up to 58. तापर कौन कोई if the score in the first test was 51 runs, okay, T1 is given 50. This is already they have given 50. Okay, so what we will do first करिबा हमें first 6 रो total करबा T1 plus T2 up to T6 केता हो तार average देछि 54, so you will get 54 into 6, so it is 324, but we know the value of T1, so T1 को put करो 50 plus T2 plus T3 up to T6, this is equals to 324, so T2 plus T3 up to T6 equals to 324 minus 50, that is 274. आउ गोटे सिनारियो कोन देछि T2 to T7 जदि ऐड करिबा T2 plus T3 plus T4 up to T7 तार एवरेज इज 58, so we can say 58 into 6 कहीं 6 number of test, so it has to be tomorrow 6 8 48 8 4 348, but we know the value of T2 till T6, so let us put that T2 plus T3 up to T6 plus T7, this is equals to 348. T2 to T6 get us 274, this is given 274 plus T7 equals to 348. So what is T7? T7 equals to 348 minus 274, 474. So and score in the 7th test is 74. This is the question. Answer is 74 runs. 7th test रे तार स्कोर थिला 74 runs. Okay, this is very interesting question. If you do systematically, then you won't find any issue. Otherwise, you will get confused in exam if you do some hodgepodge kind of thing. Let's move to, if it is done, if there is no doubt, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. The average weights of all the students in the 3 sections A, B, C of a class are 50 kg, 60 kg and 40 kg respectively. If the number of students in these 3 sections is 40, 70 and 90, then find the average weight of the entire class. So the total, it's a very pretty simple question. You have to take the weighted average of all the class. So let me write number of students. Number of students, section are A, B, C. A, B, C. Number of students in this is 40, 70, 90. And weights, respective weights, 50 kg, 60 kg, 40 kg. So total weight कितना होगा? Total weight (40) multiplied with 50, that is 2000. 70 multiplied with 60, that is 2400. 90 multiplied with 40, that is 3600. So 2000 plus 2400 plus 3600. So total weight has to tomorrow 8000 has to go. So average weight कते हो? Average weight होचे total weight divided by number of students. So this is 8000. Number of students होचने हमारा total number of students कितने? You have to add this 40 plus 70 plus 90. 110 plus 90 is 200. So this is 200. So answer is 40 kg is the average weight of the whole class. Please go through the approach. This is simple. You are finding the average. First number of, if you write in a short plotting the things, then it becomes easy. You will have a clarity. Question. There are 3 different sections they have given, number of students and the respective average weight of that section. Then you find the total weight and also average weight. Total weight divided by the total number of students. So that is 8000 divided by 200. So it comes 40 kg per student. That is the average weight of each student. Okay, this is question number 5. Next, come to question number 6. The rainfalls recorded by a city during the 7 days of a week were as follows. 7 days of a week. 5 centimeter per day on the first 3 days, 8 centimeter on the 4th day, 10 centimeter on the 5th day, 12 centimeter on the 6th day, 7 centimeter on the 7th day. So find the average rainfall recorded per day during the. This is also pretty simple. Just you put it. How many days are there? There are 7 days. Let's say D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. And rainfall कितने होची? 5 centimeter per day for first 3 days. 5, 5, 5. And 8 centimeter on the 4th day. 8. 10 centimeter on the 5th day. 10. 12 on 6th. And 7 centimeter on the 7th day. So just simply you add all the total number of rainfall. After that you can divide by the number of days. Average बार करिए पे. तो total कितना हो सकता है? 5 plus 5 plus 5 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. 33 plus 12 is 45. 33 plus 12 is 45. Yes, correct. 45 plus 7 is 52. So 52 52 mm, 52 cm. Average rainfall is 52 divided by 7. Whatever the number you will get, that is the average rainfall per day in that week. Next question. Let's say question number 7. Suhas earned an average of 1500 rupees per month from January through May. Then he earned 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, 2000 during the month of June through October. During November, he earned 50% of what he earned in December. If his average earning for the entire year is 1500, then find his earnings in the month of November. So this is a mixture of your average and the percentage question also they've given something like that. So we have to plot it everything like Jan to January to December. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now let us put earned 1500 per month from January through May. January, May 1500. So you can just put 1500, 1500, 1500, 1500. Average days, so I can take all the numbers as 1500. No issue. Then you had 1600. June, 1700, 1800, June through 19 and 2000, 19, 2000. But November, December, during November he earned 50% of what he earned in December. So suppose mo X nouchi, tar 50% ke tabo X by 2, 50% mane half. Now all this total jati kariba mein. This should be the average more as per the question. Average 1500 thila. So I can say this is 1500 into 12 months ro 1512. तो ये देखो तो so this total should be 1500. So let me calculate. एटा 1500 केतेटा अछि 6 टा अछि 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 5 टा. So 1500 into 5 plus yaku mu short re I can no need to calculate. So 1600 I can write 1500 plus 100. 1700 is 1500 plus 200. 18 I can write 1500 plus 300. 19 is 1500 plus 400. 2000 is 1500 plus 500 plus x by 2 plus x is 3x by 2. That is 1500 into 12. So, so that टिके easy is वो 1500 आओ के तरफ add हो जाए 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Already पांचटा थिला. Then another sorry not 6 it's 5 आओ पांचटा थिला. It is 500. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So it already 5 thala. 1500 into 10 plus 100 200 300 400 plus 500 plus 3x by 2 equal to 1500 into 12. So 100 200 300 ke thala 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 5 another 5 1500. So 1500 into 11 is plus 3x by 2 equal to 1500 into 12. Now it becomes easy. 3x by 2 equals to 1500 into 12 minus 11. That is 1500. So x is 2 into 1500 by 3. So that is 1000. Extra this 1000 hela, then find the earnings in the month of November. So November ke x by 2 thila. So November about 1000 by 2, that is 500. This is your answer. Answer for this question is 500. So only bit of calculation, nothing else is there in this question. I have given the done this kind of calculation, but you can also add if it is you are not comfortable. You can simply add. जैसे conventional approach रे करा जाए, you can add and get the answer. The average okay, what is next question? The average age of employees of a company is 35 years. If 5 new persons with an average age of 32 years join the company, the average age of the company becomes 34 years. How many people are there in the company originally? So for this kind of questions, what you will do first, you have to see what is the earlier total and what is the new total. Okay. Initially कौन थिला तो मतलब average age of employees कितना, how many employees I don't know, let it is x. So number of employee x थिला, average 35 थिला. Okay. 5 new employees join. Now number of employee 5, average केते हला तमन करो 32 years एमाने join कले पर new average आसला. न्यू एवरेज है केते नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉय केते हेबे x plus 5 and average 34 years. So simple calculation कौन हबो earlier average or old average, you can say old average, old के लिए maybe you will confuse earlier average, earlier total, sorry, earlier total plus new value equal to new total. So initially कौन थिला हमरो x number of employees थिला average 35 थिला तो x into 35 थिला earlier total, new value केते add हैला 5 into 32 in 5 multiplied with 32, this becomes new total. New total कौन हबो number of employee increase हैला x plus 5 को into 34. This equation you need to solve. So what are you getting? 35x plus 5 into 32 equal to आपको multiply कर ले 34x plus 5 into 34. एबे एपटे नहीं किया सा 35x minus 34x, 35x minus 34x equals to 5 into 34 minus 5 into 32, that is 5 into 34 minus 32. So it gives you 5 multiplied with 2, that is 10. Okay, so 2x equals to 10, so x equals to 5. Okay, so this is the number of employee, how many people are there in the company originally, that is x is 5 is your answer. So earlier total plus new value gives you new total. This is the only thing you have to do in this kind of questions. After that, a bit of calculations. Please go through this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So this is question number 8. Now come to question number 9. How many kilograms of wheat costing 20 rupees per kg must be mixed with 28 kg of wheat costing 15 rupees per kg so that the resultant mixture cost 18 rupees per kg? So this question you can do two methods. One, you can do the regular average method or by using the alligation method. Alligation method is too quick, so it will help you to solve the question within fraction of minute. But I will explain both the method. Whatever is convenient for you, सेटा तुम्हें apply कर करियो. Okay. Suppose how many kilogram I can take x kilogram. X kilogram 20 rupees per kg mixed with 28 kg. आर प्राइस हो 15 rupees per kg. So that total कितना हो x plus 28 kg है and resultant mixture is 18 rupees per kg. This is the question. Okay, data variety अच्छी गोटे x kg अच्छी x kg तार प्राइस होची 20 rupees per kg आउ गोटे होची तमर 28 kg तार प्राइस देची 15 rupees per kg. If they are mixed together, what would be the average price? Okay, so आपको कौन करे टोटल फास्ट बाहर करो. टोटल रुपीस के तब x kg 20 rupees per kg है तार टोटल रुपीस के तब 20x plus this is 28 into 15. This gives you x plus 28 multiplied with 18. Tapare you need to solve. So you can say 20x. You can keep as it is 28 into 15. पर देखिवा ताको calculation जब किसी easy है पाउची 18x plus 28 into 18. So bring 18x left hand side, 20x minus 18x, then 28 into 15 minus 18 minus 28 into 15. It becomes easy. 2x equals to 28 common nele, 18 minus 15, that is 28 multiplied with 3. So 2x equals to 28 into 3. So x equals to 28 multiplied with 3 by 2. It gives you 40 into 3. So that is 42. So this is the 42 kg. Initially this answer is 42 kg. But you just go through. Again I will explain the method by using alligation method. That would be a bit easy. Okay, so hope you have understood this. We can solve this question by using alligation method. Let me erase. I can keep this as it is. Alligation method musa iterate karibi. Alligation method last class I discuss regarding the series of alligation mixture. What is the concept? I am directly solving the question. Alligation mixture, what we are drawing this diagonal two in lines intersecting. 8 lekhuchi mu x kg, 8 lekhuchi mu 28 kg, x kg ro price average price ra 20 rupees per kg, to 28 kg ro average price ra 15 rupees per kg, but mixture ro average ra 18. So 20 and 18 ro difference kete along this line, 20 and 18 ro 20 minus 18, that is 2. 15 and 18 ro difference kete 18 minus 15, that is 3. What alligation says? X by 28 equal to 3 divided by 2. Only this thing you have to do. X divided by 28 equal to 3 divided by 2. So x is 28 into 3 divided by 2, that is 42. This is pretty easy, both easily calculation way. So everybody must know what is the alligation method. Any kind of question related to the average, like weighted average, having 2 samples, 3 samples if they add korche, then alligation method won't be useful. If I am adding 1 sample with another sample and I am getting another mixture, that average deithibo, then you should do this question by alligation method. Question number 10. A total amount of 204 rupees was collected from the boys and the girls of a class 152 students. If each boy contributes 1 rupee and each girl contributes 1.5, then find the number of boys and girls in the class. Okay. How to do this question? This is simple. Average you do. Alligation also we can apply, but so better we will do average method. A total number amount of 240, that I will see later. Number of boys, that is B. Number of boys contribute karuchandi 1 rupees per boy. Number of girls is G. They are contributing like where is that? 1.5, yeah. So 1.5 rupees per girl, and what is the total you are getting? 204. Then find the number of boys and girls in the class. As a boys and girls total is 150. So it is 150 total and 204 each one. So what I can do, if each boy is paying 1 rupee, so total amount collected from the boys is B into 1. If each girl is paying 1 rupee 50 paisa, total amount collected from the total all the girls is Z multiplied with 1.5. But 1.5 we will see in next step. आपको fraction करना so that it becomes easy. This is equals to 204 rupees. Okay. So B plus 1.5 is what? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 Z equals to 204. So you can say 2B plus 3Z equals to 204 into 2, that is 408. So this is one of the equation. Twice of boys plus thrice of girl is equals to 408. But out as unknowingly there is an equation they have given. What is 150? 150 is 1B plus 1Z, that is one number of boys plus number of girls. So here also it is given B plus G equals to 150. Now what is your job? You have to solve this question and get the value of B and G. So how to do this? हमें elimination method करिबा 1 2. जदि 2 को हमें equation 2 को 2 रे multiply करिबा, so equation टा कोन है जिवो? Twice of B plus twice of girl equals to 150 into 2. So that becomes 300. Okay. Already equation 1 achi, twice of B plus thrice of G equals to 408. This is equation 1 already thila. A jo equation halla aku out equation na de diyo 3. Ebe kon kariba? You can subtract 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3, equation 1 minus 3 karle. Boys, 2 boys and 2 boys will get cancel out. So you will get thrice of girl minus 2 twice of girl equals to 408 minus 300. So you are getting Z equals to 108. So what can you say? Number of girls in the total class is 108. Number of boys, you can put any of the equation. We know that B plus Z equals to 150. So B equals to 150 minus Z, that is 150 minus 108, that is 42. So number of boys is actually 42. So boys you can say 42, girls you can say 108. This is the 108. This is the answer for this question. Question number 10, only the calculation part, otherwise it is not so difficult question. Okay, hope it is done. You understood. Let's move to another question. Okay, there is a 60-liter solution of milk and water in which milk forms 84%. How much water must be added to this solution to make it a solution in which milk forms 64%? Okay, this is a very good example. This question you must try with alligation method because it becomes very easy. Average kale percentage and all that creates a lot of issues. So better we will do it by alligation method. So first simply we will write what are the given things. Got a 60-liter solution. So I am just trying this 60 liters. What is that solution? Milk 84% is milk. Okay, याको कौन कले how much water must be added. So I don't know what is the quantity of water. So let's say x. This is purely water. Purely water means milk percentage कितना होगा 0%. 0% milk because there is no milk content. There is only water content. Once I add this to जो mixture हबो, so तारो volume कौन हबो 60 plus x है and it is a milk and water solution again हबो. But सेठी हमर होची as per the question they are saying it is 64%. So milk 64% milk. Now what is the question they are asking? What is the content of water? ये x, what is the value of x? Okay. Hope you understood this question. 60 liter रो गोटे milk and water solution थिला, तार concentration थिला 84%. When that is mixed with pure water, the quantity they are asking. So pure water means I have taken the milk concentration would be 0. कहीं सेतिर किसी water milk content ही नहीं. Then the total becomes 64% milk, the new mixture. Okay. We can do this question by alligation method very easily. Okay, I can put it here. So I can, what is this? This is 60 liter, their concentration is 84%. And the water is x, their concentration is 0%. Or you can just write 0. Calculation the percentage use karibani. Just we can put 0. For your knowledge only, you can say that it is 84%. This is 0%. And the average is 64. So alligation called along this line 84 and 64 difference kete? That is 20. And along this line 0 and 64 difference is 64 minus 0 is 64. So what alligation says? 60 divided by x should be equal to 64 divided by 20. So just that thing I have to put 60 divided by x equals to 64 divided by 20. तापर calculate करो x equals to कौन होगा 60 multiplied with 20 divided by 64. So if you calculate, I think this is 416, 45, 44, 415. So something around 75 by 4 liter. 75 by 4 liter मान कितना होगा 18 3 by 4. 18 3 by 4 liter. So answer is 18 3 by 4 liter or 18.75 liter also you can say. Okay. So 18.75 liter तब यदि water add करिबो then the mixture becomes 64% milk. So since if you see from the answers it is 18 3 by 4. So if you do regular average method then lot of calculation will be there. So better we will do it in alligation method. So this is till we have discussed many varieties of question. Next class we will see if we can extend this session. We will bring some more difficult level of questions or different variety of question, or else we can go to the another topic. Thank you for attending the session. We will again meet in the next session. Thank you very much.